Hey guys, Ragnar here again. This time I'm doing something different. This is going to take me a while to do because I've never done anything like this before, so I do ask you to bear with me. It means learning how to do time lapses, speed things up and things like that for you guys watching the video so it's not too boring. It also means me doing something that I've never done before, that's leather craft. This is a nice big bit of pigskin, got some nice stretch to it, and then got a nice length of cowhide. Because what I need to do is I need to make an authentic looking drinking bottle for my Viking reenactments. I also need to make 2 sheaths for these bad boys. Now this was already a project that I've done, I just didn't record it. I bottom hafted the axe, which means as you can see there's no wedge in here. And then you've got these bits of wood to show that it's pushed everything up to lock in place. So this was friction held, and then I've wrapped it with some rawhide that I had off on the axe originally. That's its old shaft, as you can see. Very knackered, very beat up. So I took it off that, free-hafted it on this, filed down or sanded down all of this edge here so that I could slide the axe head from the bottom to the top and then whacked it multiple times so you can see it form that little bit of mushroom there. Look, see if I can get this to do anything for you. All this bit just here and like at the front there, so then it held in place nice and tight. That's not going anywhere. I have, where's it gone? I have this one to do as well, so I'll do the whole haft process on this one for you, and then that's also another one along with this and this guy. As you can see, this guy still needs wrapping as well. They both need sheaths so that I can wear them on my belt when I'm at shows and stuff and when I'm not fighting, just to make it look a bit more presentable and a bit more authentic. And so that's the projects I've got coming up. I've also got to dye these, as you can see. That's very pink, very pink. So I'll get some stuff on that. The procedure I'm going to be doing for these, it's basically wet it. It's called a dry form. So you put that, wrap this all in cling film so that no water can get on this. Soak the leather all the way through, put the leather on, stitch it nice and tight, and then it will shrink to form a nice solid fit so that when you're running around and stuff this just won't fall out. So I've got 2 of these to do, and like I say, the axe heads as well. So it will take me a little while to do because I've never done anything like this before, and I bought a little cheap kit that I found on Amazon. How good you can see that there. It came with a load of threads and then a couple of little tools and a load of needles. So I have plenty of needles to do this with. The only thing I need to get is a decent blade to cut the leather with, because I'm only using this thing, a little 75p knife. It's hella sharp, I just don't think it's going to be sharp enough to do the edges that I need. And then I'll get some epoxy resin for certain bits. Also got a nice bit of leather thonging. Yes, thonging. Yes, filthy people. I'm not wearing this. This is going to hurt, look. This is just for my water bottle, so I have some way of throwing it over my shoulder and attaching a cork to it. So that's everything I've got coming up in the future. I thought I'd throw this video out because I didn't want you to feel like I forgot about you. I am working on a lot. It's taken me a little bit of time to get the leather in because the guy I use, he wasn't in when I popped to see him. So I had to go and do an extra trip yesterday. So I'll do my best to get all these up and running and get a good start on it for you. And then we'll see what happens. If you like it, I'll try and do some more in the future. I've also got my great spear that I made well, didn't make from scratch. I hafted it onto its shaft. That needs tacking on, and that needs also leather wrap putting on, so I'll get all that on for you, show you how to do all that. But yeah, that's basically what I'm up to at the minute. There'll be some more beard products in the pipeline. I just wanted to break it up a bit so it's not so monotonous for you watching me and my ugly mug playing with my face. But yeah, so thank you very much for coming, and like I said, I'll crack on with these videos as soon as I can for you. There's just some extra little editing bits I need to learn because this is the first time doing any of that. But as soon as I'm up and running, the videos will be up for you, so please watch and enjoy. Thanks for coming, guys, and as always, it's an honour having you here.